tiger is the largest living cat species from the genus Panthera until now. Tigers have a characteristic striped color on their fur, which are dark vertical stripes. Tigers belong to the class of carnivorous animals, which live by eating meat. So, for those of you who often go to the forest, stay alert. Because the tiger is famous and a very ferocious carnivorous animal, it can even prey on animals whose bodies are bigger than it. And now I will provide interesting facts about tigers that you may not know. So, watch the video until the end so you know all about tigers. Tigers like to swim. Actually, the tiger is a reliable swimmer. Tigers soak when they want to lower their body temperature in hot weather. Tigers have webbed toes which allow them to adapt in water. Tigers also have large muscles so they can push their bodies strongly when they are in the water. And its webbed toes are capable of paddling quite large volumes of water. Each stripe on a tiger is different. Tigers are easy to recognize because of their striped bodies, but these stripes are not only found on his fur but also his skin. The stripes on a tiger are like fingerprints on humans, and no tiger has the same stripes. A tiger's roar can make its prey freeze. Tigers rarely roar, but once they do, they can be heard up to 3 kilometers away. The sound of its loud roar can make its prey freeze and freeze for a moment. Reliable ambush. Tigers can jump up to 7.62 meters, and their running speed can be up to 60 kilometers per hour. The striped pattern on its body can help it hide among the grass, then attack its prey from unexpected directions. Solitary predator and active at night. If you've ever been to a zoo, you've probably seen lots of tigers hanging out together. But in reality, in the wild, tigers tend to live alone, except for the mother tiger, who spends time with her cubs. Tigers are nocturnal predators that actively hunt at night, relying on their sharp eyesight, which is 6 times more efficient than humans. Those were some interesting facts about tigers. Thank you friends for watching this video to the end. Please forgive me if there are explanations or my words are wrong in the video. If you have suggestions and criticisms, you can write them in the comments column so I can improve them in future videos. If you like this video, please press the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos. See you again in the next video.